Hey everyone, and thanks for logging on to ABC2News.com. Meteorologist Mike Taylor with an outlook on your forecast for the rest of tonight. And we still have a little ways to go before things finally start to calm down around here. Let me take you through our futurecast wind gusts. And yes, between now and Sunday at around 1 a.m., we'll still be dealing with gusts of 20 to 40 miles per hour. But we are expecting that high wind warning to expire for Saturday morning. So even though we will no longer be under that advisory, I will let you know now that Saturday is still going to be a breezy to windy day, and Sunday, at least the first half of your Sunday, will also be a breezy one as well. As far as the skies are concerned, we're not calling for much of anything as far as precip goes for the immediate Baltimore metro area, but once you get over towards the eastern shore, especially near areas like Ocean City, you're closer to that storm, which means you can still see some wintry mix, some snow, and even some rain and sleet mixing in, so just a heads up there. Here's a look at your forecast scenario. As we go into your day tomorrow, it's going to be a mix of sun and clouds. Skies will slowly clear up, and then we're calling for a mostly clear scenario as we get towards your Sunday. So here's your Saturday forecast. 49 degrees will be your high. Gusty winds throughout the day, more sunshine in the afternoon. Winds will finally lighten up some as we get towards Sunday, and Sunday will be a pretty decent day. The rain will end, it'll still be breezy. We'll have a decent amount of sunshine. 50 degrees will be your high temperature for Monday, and then we have another system to watch that comes in on your Tuesday. Right now, the early call, it appears to be more of a rainmaker, but timing will be everything. As you can see, a morning start will have temperatures closer to the freezing mark, which means if we see that precip early in the day, we could have a wintry mix on our hands, maybe some snow mixing in with that rain. Thanks for joining us here at ABC2News.com to get your forecast information. Next planned update will be by Eric for Saturday.